Hi Weber fans, so today I'm going to show you a simple recipe of cooking pig shots on your Baby Q. So what we'll do is get straight to it. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those of you new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate show your support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Now don't forget, everything I show in your video today, there will be links in the description below, and that includes the recipe, so make sure you check those out. So as I said at the beginning of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to cook pig shots. Now if you're not sure what pig shots are, it's literally a simple dish, and it's literally pre-cooked sausage cut into a slice and then bacon wrapped around it, and then we're going to fill it with some cream cheese and some crushed pineapple and topping it off with a bit of the barbecue rub that I use. So what we'll do is we'll jump straight into it. Right, so first up we're going to create our filling for our pig shots. Now when it comes to pig shots, you're filling, the world is your oyster. You could use mushrooms with cream cheese, you could just use cream cheese, you could use peppers. It's entirely up to you what you put in there. Today I'm going to be using some cream cheese and a bit of pineapple. So what we'll do is jump straight into it. Right, so we're going to start with 225 grams of cream cheese. I'm going to be using half a cup of crushed pineapple. So this is literally half a tin of the pineapple you buy in your local store. I'm keeping a bit back just to put on top of those pig shots when they come out. And then we've got a quarter a cup of brown sugar. And we're just going to mix all that together. Right, so you're probably wondering how we're going to get that filling in those pig shots. If you're doing it with a spoon, you can do it with a spoon, but it's going to take a lot longer. So what I tend to do is make a piping bag. So I've got a little bit of a life hack here, and it's just a Ziploc bag. We're going to put the filling in and then just cut the end off when we're ready to use it, and use it as a piping bag. So we're just going to tip that in. Ziploc that up, and there you have a little piping bag. What's with our pig shots, we're just going to roll them with bacon. Now you can cut these as tall as you like or as small as you like. Just going to literally roll them like so, all the way around. And then what you're going to do is get a cocktail stick. These have been soaking in water. Push all the way through. And that's your little pig shot. So we'll just get all these rolled. So again, it's just a roll and a roll around, and then get your cocktail stick and just push that through like so. And there they are rolled. You can make as many as you like. I literally made 15 purely because there's only 3 of us. But you can make as many as you like. So now we're going to transfer our pig shots to our trivet. And now to fill these with our cream cheese. So we're just going to cut the end of our piping bag and start filling these with that mixture. Now you don't want to fill these all the way to the top, and what we're going to do is just top it off with a little bit of that crushed pineapple just on the top, because obviously as it heats up, that cream cheese is going to melt and come over the top of the bacon. Right, to finish this off, we're just going to use a bit of barbecue rub just on the top, just to give it that little bit of spice. So it's time to get these on the queue. Right, so our queue's been heating for about 10 minutes. We're going to turn it right down to low, so it's literally sitting at 150 degrees, and then we're going to stick these on for at least 90 minutes to let that bacon crisp up and that cream cheese get nice and hot and all those flavours mixed together. Get these pulled off. Well, so we just put these on a cooling rack now, and we'll leave them for about 10 minutes to cool down before we try and take out those cocktail sticks. You can leave them in if you want, and obviously the person who eats them can take it out themselves. But they've all worked out absolutely superb, and they smell absolutely gorgeous. Right, so they've been resting for about 10 minutes, so it's time to try one. Those are absolutely beautiful. You've got the sausage, you've got the salty bacon, you've got that little hit from the rub, from the barbecue rub, and then you've got the sweetness from the pineapple and that brown sugar. They're more like a dessert. They're absolutely beautiful. Right, so I enjoyed the video and I hope you found it really informative, and as you can see, it's a really easy process. It tastes absolutely superb. Now, like I said in the video, you can put anything in there you want. You can put cheese in there as well, melted cheese, tomatoes, mushrooms. It's entirely up to you what you put in there. But if you try it with that pineapple and that cream cheese and that little bit of rub, barbecue rub on there, it tastes absolutely superb. Again, if you do try this recipe, make sure you comment down below, let me know how you got on. It's a really cheap and a really simple starter you can make if you're having a party, or literally if you want something to go along with your main course meal. They're absolutely awesome at the end of the day, and it's a quick thing you can do on your Weber, and it literally takes 90 minutes to cook it on your Weber. Get that bacon nice and crispy, and again, don't overfill your pig shots. You literally want it just below, so you can put a little bit of pineapple on the top, and then it won't overflow. Add a couple overflow, I'll put a fraction too much in, but again, you just want some streaky bacon and those pre-cooked sausages, or saveloys as we call them in the UK, and they taste absolutely superb. The whole family enjoy them. I had to fight my 11-year-old for them because I only made 15, and he literally loved them. Now, don't forget everything I showed in this video today. There will be links in the description below, as well as the recipe and the ingredients, so make sure you check those out. And those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. Right, so I said again, like I said, it's a really cheap.